Merry Christmas, Daniel.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
What do
You too, Grandma Dai.
Right on. What are you doing?
Decorating my tree.
Looks pretty good.
Which is a very small
decorations over here.
Right on, though. Good job.
I'll be...
Get one more on there, huh?
Huh? There's some more pretty ones here.
Having trouble with that one?
Yeah, this one.
Sorry.
I'll just do one more.
No, Mom wants to do a couple too.
Okay.
Oh, you got that one. Good job.
Okay, I'm finished.
No, stand back and show us your final work. Right on. So Merry Christmas again.
Merry Christmas.
You're lucky I'm not making you sing.